Billy Cyrus' son make emotional plea for country singer to get help and reunite with his family following failed performance at Trump's Liberty Ball. Billy Cyrus' performance at Donald Trump's inaugural festival has drawn concerns from everyone from his fans to his loved ones. The country star performed at Donald Trump's Liberty inaugural ball on Monday, January 20, and while technical difficulties ensured, especially with his guitar and microphone, it was obvious that Cyrus was not himself on stage. The 63-year-old wandered back and forth singing hits Old Town Road and Eke Breakheart, a cappella attempting to encourage the audience to sing along. But the sound issues only made his seemingly deteriorating well-being more pronounced. Onlookers became even more concerned as Cyrus stopped singing and spoke his lyrics in a monotone voice before refusing to leave the stage at the one point. Check. Is anybody awake? Cyrus asked, looking for assistance from someone backstage during the chaotic performance. You all want me to sing more or you want me to just get the hell off the stage? Awkward performance prompted Praise Cyrus, the adopted of Billy Ray Cyrus and ex-wife Tish Cyrus, who urged his father to seek help. On Wednesday, January 2022, the 35 years old shared a touching message to his dad on Instagram, posting a throwback photo of himself on stage with Balleroy when he was young. Chris began in his caption, "Since my earliest memories, all I can remember is being obsessed with you and thinking you were the coolest person ever. I wanted to be just like you. The day you adopted me was the happiest day of my life. Sadly, the man that I wanted to desperately to be just like I barely recognize now." He acknowledged how the world has beaten him down, but hoped his message will reach the masses who love Billy Ray. Chris went on the relief that he and his sister don't know what their father is struggling with, but they are worried about him. According to Chris, Billy Ray has pushed his children away and he has not been there for youngest daughter, not no, who desperately wants to be part of his life. Before pleading with his father to get help in fear that the world will lose him far too soon, Chris concluded his message with, "You know how to reach me. Till that day comes, I will continue to pray for you." The Cyrus household began to break apart after Billy Cyrus and his wife, Chris Cyrus, got divorced in 2022. After 30 years of being together, the couple shared three children: Millie 32, Bryson 30, and Noah 25. Billy re-adopted Tisha's two children, Brandy 37 and Chris 35, when he married her in 1993. Following the end of their marriage, they both met and married other people, which furthered the rift with their children. Bryson and Knox skipped their mother's controversial wedding when she married Knox's ex-boyfriend Dominic Purcell in 2023. Miley Cyrus, on the other hand, who was on the hit TV series Hannah Montana with her father, now has an estranged relationship with him. Noah's relationship with her mother was not in the best place for a bit because Noah was reportedly falsely seeing Purcell before her mom got with him. But it seems the two have made amends since. As for her father, over the last few years, he maintained a close relationship with him, but according to Chris's message, that has changed. Billy Ray has yet to respond to his son. But the day before Chris wrote his message, Billy Ray replied to the fans that were worried about him following his performance in an exclusive statement to people on January 2022. mm, Cyrus said, "I wouldn't have missed the honor of playing this event whether my microphone, guitar, and monitors worked or not. I was there because President Donald Trump J invited me had a ball at the Liberty Ball last night, and I have learned through all these years when the producer says you are on, you on, go entertain the folks even if the equipment goes to hell. I was there for the people and we had a blast. That Scott roll. Aside from his botched performance, Billy Ray Cyrus is also dealing with the aftermath of his divorce from his second wife, Australian singer Snows. After wedding in October 2023, Cyrus filed for divorce after 7 months of marriage. The former couple reached a settlement months later in August 2024. Please subscribe my channel and like share my videos.